build a spectroscope like this. We discovered it's better to work in pairs, so each two of you will build one spectroscope. I will tell you how. Just short introduction. So in Latvia, we have spectroscopy as a lab work only in university. And then we do the qualitative analysis, and then we can measure exact nanometers and so on. But in secondary school, we don't do the lab work normally. Sometimes there are some schools who got this equipment, but mostly they don't. So they can explore spectrums using spectroscope like this. And it's possible then to explain to people what is a diffraction grating. I'll just pass around and look at some light sources. And you can observe the spectrum around the light sources like this. So what I usually do working with my students, I ask them, what do they think? What is a diffraction grating? And where can we see diffraction gratings in nature and also in technology? And how come we can observe also, we can use the CD as a diffraction grating. If there are smaller school children, I don't talk about diffraction gratings at all. I just say that if the light is transmitted through the small structures, we can observe the spectrum. And then we make the spectroscope, and then we observe spectrums of different light sources. Here we have some luminescent bulbs, and also sodium lamp and hydrogenium lamp in the very end. Please remember that you should not stare for a long time in hydrogenium lamp because it gives also some ultraviolet and it's not good for you. You turned it off. Thank you so much. So you can stare as long as you wish. So the first thing, what we need, everybody has this roll. So you need to clear area of the CD from the silver. So you can also find some already almost clear CDs, and you got lucky. Those of you who have not, you just stick a tape to it, and it will come off. So you don't need bigger than this. And afterwards, you take exactly the same circle from the black paper, cut it in half, and make a slit for light to come through. Tape it all to the opposite ends of the paper roll. And basically, that's it. And afterwards, we just add some aesthetics. We can take aluminum foil and wrap it, or we just... If you need more tape or something, ask. This is just one type of construction. You can build one black ring, yes.
The silver of the CD again?
Sorry?
How do you take the silver of the CD?
Oh, we tape the sticky tape, and then it comes off. If it doesn't come off too easy, I will get another CD. We still have some. It doesn't? It doesn't look good. Maybe that one? No, it needs to be transparent after all. But actually, oh, that works perfectly. Actually, as you can see from this one, you only need this big window. It's not so important that you scratch it completely clear. Works good. Of course. Here you go. It just... I didn't have a carton like this, so I used what I had and then tried to make it... You just the middle. You want the middle to be transparent and clear, but with the sides you can tape over, but not the middle. Leave the middle as it is. It's already ready?
No.
Ah, the other side. Yes, you
then
need the
what?
slit. You need the slit.
Yeah.
You take maybe just take a bigger ring. You can see this. Oh, but you will cut it in the half, and then you make a slit, like between that. Yes, something like that.
Okay,
It's not. It's tiny. I don't know if it's. Yeah, it's good. It's really tiny. It's half of the millimeter or something.
So we can
It's better if it's parallel. So I don't know. You could think about your own design. Just.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good. Just. It looks okay. And now the other end. Oh, it's already done, but it's too big.
Need to make the.
You don't need. You just you. I made it smaller just because then you get more idea where to look. But it's good like this. The slit is a bit too big, but it's okay. It does matter because the narrower it is, the more good focus you get. It's like with photographing. If you make diaphragm small, the picture is clear, but not so bright. So maybe it's a millimeter, maybe it's a half of the millimeter, maybe it's millimeter and half. This would be.
Helfe.
Yes.
Works.
Yes. Do you? You must look like in the plane, which is somewhere in yes.
Inside.
And then you will observe spectrum, the rainbow, somewhere what in the side of your field of view. No?
Do you sit here? In the glass or on the side?
It's on the side. It's in your construction. It's well somewhere like here
Yeah.
or there.
Okay.
If you. It's just a rainbow. No? If you look directly to the bright light source, I usually use the window because it's the best. But also the bright source would work. Switch on the lamp and let's see the spectrum of this luminescent bulb. Just like this.
Okay, got it there.
Okay. Okay. Let's see if it works. Yes, it does. So yes, you look through this and you observe the rainbow somewhere like at the side of your view. You do not look on the slit itself, but you just will see on both sides of it. Okay, so that's the spectrum of daylight you're observing now. So you can compare it to the spectrum of luminescent bulb, and then you can also, if you stand up and walk to the sodium lamp and the hydrogenium lamp there, you can observe more line spectrums. If you want to make it more difficult for students, you can take different tubes of gas and then make tables with colors of lines and just make them guess which gas is with.
Horfðu svo út í birtuna. Svo sér það að dreifir það þegar það er önnur efni.
From that far, maybe it's not so good.
I see.
Oh, you can see that. One yellow line in this lamp. Yes. It's a sodium. And this spectroscope is convenient, so you can carry it around, explore the different light sources you have on the streets. You will discover that the yellow lamps on the streets, they are sodium lamps, because also one yellow line there. Okay. Yeah, just explore all of them.
But one movie, it's called MUVI.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Svo þurfum við eitthvað ánpakka.
Hvernig snýrðu
Settu svona hérna.
Þú mátt taka þetta af. Já, nákvæmlega.
Lögðu það svo bara á hann?
Límband, bara þetta límband á.
Þetta verður ábyrjandi gul, græn lína.
Það er smá svona effekt sem þetta er bara skrutt. Ég leit sér þetta.
Oh.
You're getting through this. Yeah, it's green.
On two sides.
Beautiful. Maybe try that, yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
In your case, if you hold it vertically, your physics is below. It all depends in what direction the CD is. Sometimes it's when it's parallel to the slit, so you will see it on both sides. In your case, it's up and down.
You look through the CD,
Yeah.
but you don't look like to the slit, but you look like on two sides of it, closer to your eye side. No?
I see some color.
Yes. You will see like a rainbow. Oh, in your case, if you hold it vertically, your spectrum is just below the slit. Here you go. It all depends in what direction the CD is turned. Sometimes it's when it's parallel to the slit, so you will see it on both sides. In your case, it's up and down from the slit. If you use it in physics lessons, so you can tell about the difference between line spectrum, about what kind of materials emit line spectrum, what kind emits whole spectrum, why.
Þá er þetta mjög hendur.
Ef þú hættir ekki þá held ég bara áfram.
Yeah.
Bara settu það í rúmuna.
So everybody has now new scientific instrument, and you can use it in your daily life if you want. And just to explain some optical phenomena. And you could also make a spectroscope when you observe diffraction in reflected light. The construction would be then some kind of box, and then you cut the slit, put the disk by some angle, and make a slit in opposite wall, make the light fall on the disk, and then it would be reflected up, and then you need a screen or window to observe it. But it's slightly more difficult, but also a good project for students to make, because those kind of data carriers, we don't use it more in daily life, so that at least some use of it, you can make something from it. Okay, thank you so much.